Hello, this is Vincent Meza from Listings to Leads, and I got your email. I thought I'd show you this because it's hard. Right? This is a single property website made in our platform, and you'll notice that there's a link here that says free home values. If you click on that link, that takes you to this page, which we automatically generated for you. But that concept is called lead links. Okay. And you have lead links. You have a lead links tab inside of your account. It's down here on the left, says lead links. And when you click there, it has these things. Now I'm going to click up here, add link a few times, and I'm going to paste this, which is your search page from your website. And I'm going to put in back to lead links. I'm going to paste that 3 times. And I'm going to say Herndon Homes. Now you had other, I'm just going to do that one because I can't remember the names of the towns that you have. But if I check this box, I'm going to wipe this one out here. Wipe this out. That's going to, if I check that box, that's going to make that like a default link on all of your listings. Now you were asking about your lender, and this is on your page. It's a mortgage calculator, but you can get the idea of what's going on here. I'm going to paste that there. I thought I copied that mortgage calculator. Copy, lead links, paste. And I'm going to just say mortgage calculator, just like you have it on your website, right? But you could make a link to your lender's website, their application. You call it get pre-approved, right? If you check this box over here on the left, that's going to become like a default link over on your listing. So this one's on, let's go here. This is a little bit techy what I'm about to do here. But you have to refresh your listings. Let's see if it'll just happen automatically. I think it will, but let's see. Yeah. So I refresh this and now you can see it says free home values and Herndon Homes for sale. This one's in Herndon, so it makes some sense. If I click there, now I'm off on your website. And if your website is configured to capture leads, meaning if I click on here a few times, you're going to force me to register. That would be a smart thing to do. If it does capture leads, I would tell you whatever the price point is for Herndon, maybe it's homes fly off the shelf under 400,000. I would have a link up here that says Herndon Homes under 400K and point to your website. Ideally, it'll land right on that. And then you'll definitely get more buyer leads from your own website. Anyway, that's what lead links are about. Instead of lead links are down here somewhere. Yeah. You might want to put the mortgage application, get pre-approved from your lender, and that would show up on all the listings in your account. So that's my story. Hope that makes sense. I will point out one other thing. I was looking at your account and let's see here, under settings and for listings, this setting here says make a phone number required. And that means that when somebody clicks on this here, it's going to open up a thing where it requires your phone number. You will typically lose people anytime you require a phone number. That's if you want leads with phone numbers, I highly recommend using our software to run ads on Facebook. But if you ask somebody to type in their phone number, 99% of the time they will leave. So I'm not going to mess with it, but you could uncheck this. We are on listings and we're on settings and we're on preferences, and you can uncheck that and that will be required. It'll show it, but not be required. So hopefully this helps you. If you have questions, let me know.